Six Sigma Interview Questions and Answers 2024. In 2024, when you're interviewed for a Six Sigma job, you'll likely face some common Six Sigma interview questions.
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprintzeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
They usually ask about your knowledge of Six Sigma basics, like how you improve processes and use data for decision-making. They might want you to explain the DMAIC methodology, which is all about solving problems step by step. They could also ask about your experience in different Six Sigma roles, such as green, black, or yellow belts. Expect Six Sigma interview questions about how you've used Six Sigma tools to solve real problems. Being ready for these questions is crucial to show you know your stuff and can excel in Six Sigma jobs.
Understanding the Six Sigma paradigm. We are starting with a strong note to show what employers expect from their employees, especially regarding payroll and benefits. Benefits like sick time may vary based on your eligibility. Different generations, such as Generation X, Millennials, and Generation Z, receive different benefits. For instance, Generation X may get extensive packages and pension benefits not seen with younger professionals. Understanding these generational differences in the workplace is crucial for reducing turnover and establishing industry benchmarks. Harvard University's report highlights a difference in employee and employer perspectives on job motivators, with compensation ranked differently. We'll focus on manufacturing and production trends, especially relevant for Six Sigma certification holders who often work as engineers or plant supervisors. However, Six Sigma certification's applicability extends beyond production. It's valuable for HR, finance, marketing, and PR departments. This article will guide you on answering challenging and straightforward questions to impress hiring managers and decision makers. Scope of Six Sigma certified professionals. A mechanical engineer with a Six Sigma certification can earn more than $75,870 per year. Tom Word, same goes with a manufacturing manager who can earn $70,000 per year. Out of this certification, the most is earned by the quality manager with a staggering salary of $80,000 per year. With your seniority and involvement in different kinds of projects, your salary ceiling is increased gradually. We have segregated the top Six Sigma interview questions and answers for the respective questions and most asked Six Sigma interview questions. Top Six Sigma interview questions and answers. Here is a list of the latest Six Sigma interview questions and answers, ideal for those looking to prepare for Six Sigma questions for interview. 1. What do you mean by Six Sigma and elaborates its principles? Six Sigma is a data-driven methodology for process improvement. Developed by Bill Smith, a Motorola plant manager in 1986, it aims to boost quality by minimizing defects and inefficiencies. The key concept is defects per million opportunities, calculated as defects divided by sample size. It draws from work study, process control, and Pareto's 80-20 rule. Notably, Six Sigma complements various other principles like Kaizen, Kanban, Lean, and Agile. It bridges the gap between desired and actual product quality while reducing costs. The versatility of Six Sigma makes it compatible with many other productivity-enhancing concepts, demonstrating its broad applicability in enhancing processes and products. 2. Define DPMO or DPPM. DPMO stands for defects per million opportunities, while DPPM stands for defective parts per million. When we consider the flow of the production in any given industrial unit or production unit, we find that quality is often compromised due to many reasons, and one is ineffective training given to the labor force. The companies, as well as industries, focused more on productivity by engaging the labor force in committing to their work as per the piece-width system. And this is the reason that often the quality is compromised in order to gain maximum outputs in the shorter time possible. The concept given by the Six Sigma is to constantly maintain the paradigm in which factors like time as well as quality are crucial. So, a production manager is responsible for sketching an achievable target with optimized cost, maintaining the labor compensation. From a customer's perspective, it runs a feedback loop in which likes and dislikes of the end users are considered, and a middle path is found that is inculcated in the production to gain brand loyalty. 3. What are some of the quality management tools in Six Sigma? There are many quality management tools that are included in Six Sigma. Some of them are cost-benefit analysis, CTQ tree, SIPOC analysis, COPIS analysis, Taguchi methods, 5S, 7 wastes, value stream mapping, visual workplace and quality function deployment. 4. List out the different kinds of variations used in Six Sigma. In Six Sigma, various types of variations are utilized, including mean, median, range, and mode. Data collection begins with a clear understanding of factors affecting it. Data is categorized into two main types: quantitative, from continuous data, and qualitative, from discrete data. A measurement system analysis checks the validity of the company's measurement system. Mean, median, range, and mode play a significant role in this analysis. 5. What do you mean by gauge radar? When we are concerned about repeatability and reproducibility, then we use gauge radar to describe the difference between repeatability and reproducibility. We shift our focus on the p-values and, if not the normal values, and try to make the box-Cox transformation as accurate as possible. 6. Find the value stream mapping. The common misconception about value stream mapping is that it is often related to Lean Six Sigma. However, this is entirely different from Six Sigma process mapping. The value stream mapping helps us to understand the current state by identifying the start and the end point of every process. Further, we have to draw the process flow mapping. The process is including all the sub-steps into one unit that has metrics for each process step. In the next step, we analyze and reflect the current state value stream map with all the stakeholders' expectations. Basically, here we find the root cause of the limitation, a cost-effective solution that is needed to be developed. By looking at the value that we're delivering currently and waste we are incurring can help us calculate the touch time or the cycle time. Then we work on improving the slowest throughput or cycle time by implementing the future stated value stream map and socializing consensus from all the stakeholders again. In this way, we optimize the whole and not a single process that also gives us a chance to sustain in aggravating new standards and establishing measured performance related to the cost parameters. This reinforcement is monitored on a continuous basis. Most asked Six Sigma interview questions and answers. Below are the Six Sigma interview questions and answers that are frequently asked. 7. What is the Ishikawa diagram? We can note that there are different steps and processes involved where quality control is an issue and arises time and again with specific requirements. With the help of the Ishikawa diagram, we are able to direct the causal factors into a final outcome by shipping somewhat like a fish, and that is sometimes called a Fishikawa diagram.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with Sprintzeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.